Hello my dear students, this is our question 1 of exercise 5.2. State the properties that is used in each of the following statements. So what we have to do? We have to state the property. It means we have to find out the properties which is used to make this statement true. Okay, now I hope your idea is clear regarding what is the corresponding angles, what is the alternate interior angle, what is the alternate exterior angle, what is the co-interior angle. Co-interior angle means interior angles of the same side of transversal. Okay, so if you are not clear regarding these students, then you will not able to solve these exercise. Okay, so please, if your idea is not clear, then try to understand and make it clear. First one is if A parallel B. What we have to read over here? A parallel B. Then angle A equal to angle B. So first we have to find out where is angle A and where is the angle 5. So here angle A and here is angle 5. Which property is used over here? So we have the three formation. First one is F, then Z and then C. Okay, I am saying why, because it's easy for you. So see, first and 5, it means over here which formation? Yes, F formation. F formation, yes? Yes or not? Okay, so here angle 1 and angle 5 are equal. With which property F formation means? Yes, corresponding angle property. So you have to write over here corresponding angles property. Understood? Now second, angle 4 is equal to angle 6, then A parallel B. So angle 4 and angle 6, where is my angle 4? Here. Angle 6 is here. They both are equal. Which formation? Easily you can identify. Yes, it's Z formation. Yes or not? Okay. So Z formation means very good. In Z formation, first you have to check it's interior or exterior. These are interior. So it's the alternate interior angles property. So write over here alternate interior angles property. Okay. Now third one. If angle 4 plus 5 is equal to 180. Now we know 180 it means either linear pair, either supplementary angle and either co-interior angle. But over here it formed by the transversal. So it's the co-interior angle, either the interior angles of the same side of transversal. Okay, and they are supplementary. So angle 4 and 5. Where is angle 4 and 5? Here. Which formation? C. Yes or not? So C formation is there. So you can write over here they are co-interior angle. Okay, and if you want to write like this way, then you can write interior angles of the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Okay, so these things you have to write in your textbook. If you are able to write in your textbook, then it's okay, and if you want to copy it in your notebook, then it's well and good. Okay, now question number 2. In the adjoining figure, identify the pair of corresponding angles, the pair of alternate interior angles, the pair of co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal, and the vertically opposite angles. So these are very easy. Now check. First, the pair of the corresponding angles. For the corresponding angles, which formation? Yes, I am writing over here F formation. So check over here. Where is the F formation? So F formation is here. Okay. So angle 2. See students over here F formation. So angle 2 and angle 6. So you have to write over here angle 2 and angle 6. Same way, angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 3 and angle 7. Another pair. Which one? Like this way. Okay. Angle 4 and angle 8. So write over here angle 4 and angle 8. Now you know this thing very well. Here again F formation. Okay. So angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. Okay. So here they are F formation. You have to find out, don't just copy it, okay? The pair of the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles, it means Z formation. So check over here, where is my Z formation? Here. So which is angle 3 and angle 5. So angle 3 and angle 5. Another pair is, again this Z formation, angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 2 and angle 8. It's very easy, students. Once you clear your idea, then it's very easy. And if your idea is not clear, then here confusion and confusion. Okay. So please clear your idea regarding the angles formed by transversal. The pair of the interior angles on the same side of transversal. Same side. It means co-interior angles. Which formation? C. Here Z formation. Here C formation. See, these things just for your understanding, okay? Don't mention in your examination, okay? So see, the pair of the interior angles on the same side of transversal. So see over here, C, 2 and 5. So angle 2 and angle 5. Here another C. So angle 3 and angle 8. Okay, now vertically opposite angles. So it's very easy, 4 and 2, angle 1 and 3, okay, angle 4 and angle 2, angle 1 and angle 3, here 8 and 6, angle 8 and angle 6, here 7 and 5. So angle 7 and angle 5. So it's a very easy, students. Okay. So they are vertically opposite angles. Okay. So these things, if you want to write in your textbook, then it's okay. You can write over here. But don't write like me. Again, I told you, I am just standing without any support. I am writing like this way. I can't move the textbook. Okay. If I will move and I will adjust according to my comfortability, then it's inconvenience for you. Okay, you can't able to see. So please, students, write in your notebook nicely. Thank you.